Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to integrate and add the application or plugin Google Sites to your Ecwid store or Ecwid account. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Ecwid account as an administrator, and once you guys are in the dashboard, you want to click on Apps, and that's usually found between Settings and your profile, as you can see here. Then you would want to go to the App Market. So actually wait for this to load. And once you guys are here, you want to click on the search bar right here. If you can't find Google Sheets right away, actually it's this one right here. This is what we're looking for. But anyway, if you can't find it, just type down Google Sheets like so. And there are a couple of third-party apps that come with Google Sheet integration. So it's this one right here. You want to get the free one. Save orders to Google Sheets via Zapier, and this way you're able to integrate Google Sheets onto your Ecwid account. So to install it, simply click on it like so, and it should take you to their store page right here where you get to install the application. So because I'm doing a video, I didn't actually get the paid plan or package. So to actually install this, instead of saying upgrade to get the app, this would normally say install. So just click on it, install the application, and that'd be it. So click on it. Here we are. We're unable to use any third-party plugins, but assuming that you guys are using Ecwid for your business, then this should be no problem to you at all, as you can actually install the application for free. And once you guys do that, you basically just log in your Google account via the redirect set by this application, and you guys are done. Now you can import all of your documents and Google Sheets onto your Ecwid account. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.